Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel Java Knowledge for Jobs. Please like and share this video. Subscribe this channel for getting notification of new video. Thank you. In this today video we will discuss about representing infinity, undefined results and arithmetic exceptions in Java. So we will discuss how to represent infinity, positive infinity and negative infinity, and undefined results, and when arithmetic exception comes. So we will look in that. So we will start now. So see, arithmetic exception come when we are dividing or doing modulo with any integer value with 0, then we are getting arithmetic exception. Means whenever we are dividing with 0 any integer value, means only integer value, then we are getting arithmetic exception. We will see when any number is divided by 0.0, then we are getting infinity as output. We will get negative infinity as output when any of the two operand is negative. If both are positive, then it will come infinity. So if any one operand is infinity, then only we will get infinity. If both are negative, then we will get positive infinity. And we will see when we are getting NaN. NaN represents not a number. So we are getting only when 0.0 is divided by 0.0, or when we are calling math.squared with negative number. It can be int or float type as a parameter value. So whenever we are calling math.squared, then it is coming as a NaN, means output will be NaN. So let us see with the program. So start writing the program now. So go so we will declare int a and b, then we are going to declare float c, d, e and f. Now initialize these values. So we are initializing a as 10, b as 0, c as 0.0, float because c, d and f are floating type, and d equal to 0.0. Now e equal to 10.0 f and f equal to 0.0 f. So don't confuse, this one is variable, this f is variable, and 0.0 f it to represent float we are giving f. So now we will print the output. Firstly, dividing by c by d means 0.0 divided by 0.0. So the output will come NaN, means not a number. Now again we will divide e by f, means e by f 10.0 divided by 0.0, means then it will come as infinity. So again we will see, we are calling a squared function math class with negative number, then it will give the output as NaN. Now, and this one is for arithmetic exception, means when any number is divided by 0, then arithmetic exception comes at runtime. So a by b is doing so. So firstly I will comment it and try to run that one, and let us see. Save this, run as Java application. So see, c by d it is coming as NaN because both are 0.0 and we are dividing it. It is showing NaN. Now we are dividing e by f. E is 10.0 and f is 0.0. So it is coming as infinity, because we are dividing a float number with 0.0. So to represent infinity in decimal form, it is possible in Java, but for integral value not possible. So we are getting arithmetic exception. So there is a way to represent as a infinity. So for decimal value, so we are getting infinity, and again we are calling math dot squared. So we are getting it NaN, means we can't get the square root of -10. So that's why it is NaN. And last one, a divided by b, it will come arithmetic exception. So because we are dividing integer value with 0. So let us check. Yeah, see, arithmetic exception is coming, divide by 0 at test dot undefined results dot main. This one is the class name. So at line number 18, so we are getting it here. So again comment it, just for checking purpose I have given this. So now we will change the value and we will see here in math dot squared we will give float also or double also, and this one is double. So we will run, then also it will come NaN. Yeah, see, now change those values. Suppose 0.0, if change it, divide it with 10, suppose, then it will come 0.0. Let us see 0.0, C and D. Now what we will do is we will change the value to C to 10.0 and D 0.0. So C, for this one we will get infinity. So after changing the value of C as 10.0 and 0.f, after running this program, we are getting C divided by D as infinity, because we are dividing this float with 0.0. So whenever we are changing this one to minus, then we will get as negative infinity. See, save it and run it. When we are running this one, then we are getting negative infinity. Now so we will try with checking with both the operands. So change this one D as negative and we will see, then we are getting it negative infinity. So NaN, not a number, we are getting only in the case when 0.0 is divided by 0.0, and arithmetic exception we are getting in two cases. Whenever we are dividing or doing modulo operator with 0.0, not 0.0, actually it is when we are dividing with 0, then only we are getting arithmetic exception. Thank you for watching this video.